What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Own channel. Today I want to show you how to fix the crown molding gap. Let's start it. As you see, there's a big gap between these two crown molding. So the contractor left his job, so we're gonna fix that. And see, the nails they put is not good. So some of the nails you can see still is not all the way in. So first of all, we're gonna use some product I will show you, and use our finger so to fill this gap. And after that, we're gonna sand it and paint it. So I'm just gonna show you how to fill it up, but to sand and paint it, so you're gonna make another video. You can check that out. So let's start it. This is the product we're gonna use, Decosmart. So that's a filler for the trim. So I'm gonna put the attachment in the description. So for this product and some of the other product, I like it to fill it up. So let's do it. There you go. As you see, this is the best tools. Your finger is best tools to do that job. I don't know any other tools to do better than this. So when it's dry, we're gonna sand it and paint it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.